Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put loss on Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have Robinhood application on your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and actually sign up to create your account. Of course, if it's your first time, you would like to sign up, as I said. If you already have an account, just ignore all of that, right, and look into your account, and let's just get into the tutorial. So as you can see here, they are actually asking me to enter my pin code. So if it's your first time opening the application, they will not ask you to any pin code, but the second time you'll enter the application, they will ask you to set a pin code. Then you will start using this pin code whenever you get into the application. So here for me, my pin code is 4 zeros. And first of all, as you can see, that will actually be your home or your main screen. If you want to start using the application, you will need actually to verify your account. You will find out how to do that in one of our videos in this channel. Of course, if you actually if you verify your account or if your account is verified, you'd like to add a fund, at least $1, to start actually using the platform or the application correctly. So let's just go back to our idea in this tutorial. So how to set up a stop loss. So how to set up a stop loss order on Robinhood. All you need to do, just of course, as I said, log in into your account. Then let's go to a cryptocurrency here, or even you can go to a traded stock. So for me, I'm going to cryptocurrency here. I'm just going to click on that, and it will actually takes me here into the crypto page. So here let's choose first of all sorry, let's choose first of all whatever. Let's choose a coin that we want to show you in. So let's just go into the Bitcoin. Seems like it's losing a lot today, so let's not care about that. So if you actually verify your accounts and add funds and finish everything in the application, you will have here an option called, if you want to sell, of course, your Bitcoin, just go and click at the option of set your stop loss just below the level of the moving average. So from there, actually, you will have an option to stop loss. They will actually ask you the amount of the Bitcoin or any other coin you want to sell, and at what level. So let's say as an example, this is the price of Bitcoin right now. Let's say as an example, if the Bitcoin goes down to 19 thousand, like 19,000, you want to sell your Bitcoin. So it's simply, you'll just put that number there at the stop loss price, and you will actually review your order, then submit it, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.